30 seconds. Hi guys, we're gonna try putting a chip back.
You guys are stupid, and we're gonna die because of you guys.
In the microwave. I don't care what my brother says. This the one is
What if
good.
it starts a fire?
Not. I'm gonna turn it off.
Is it going?
No. Here we go. Run. Start. What the? What's the?
It just comes a little up.
Hey, just do it a little bit more.
Let's keep doing it.
I'm kind of scared. Now get it.
Yo.
Daddy, suck it up to the chip back. Here, have your chip back.
What the fuck?
Yeah, but you need to flatten it out before it can be like guava juices.
No, I want to put it in.
If it starts a fire, it's up to you guys.
Put it in. And the timer's Let me take it out. Oh my God!
It's all weird. You don't be dirty, but
Don't put it back in.
no,
Give me it. Put it over here.
that's enough. Something happened to something. Can I touch it? You do it.
Stop!
Okay, I'm
touch
sorry.
it.
Let me touch my phone. I want to touch this one first.
There's a fire!
Alright.
Close the microwave. That's it.
Whoa. So bye guys. I just wanted to show you this thing.
Skippy Doodle here. Go follow my page.
And subscribe.
Guys, look.
Ew. Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye.